Guys, I'm at the world famous Shibuya Crossing in Tokyo, Japan. So what do you do when you find yourself here? You cross, right? So this is a very iconic street. This crazy cross pattern over here. You got to do that at least once in your life, I guess, especially if you come to Tokyo. This is famous Shibuya Scramble. So it's it definitely has like a Times Square kind of vibe to it, but you don't gotta watch your wallet or worry about getting mugged or anything like that. So very safe place. But I'm gonna just take a little walk around and see what's around here. So let's cross over again. We got a Starbucks here, of course, and a really busy street behind it, so let's go see what's over there. I'm not going to sit here crossing the street all day, but I'm curious what's in this neighborhood just because you always see it on TV. Saw a lot of little stores over here. There's nothing like Ginza, I don't think. But apparently there's an IKEA. How big could that be? I don't know. What do we got here? Some trinket shops. Cool area over here. It's got to be a pretty small store. Maybe just has a lot of floors. I don't know. Smash Scramble burger. I don't know. If I could charge my phone in there and my camera, I'd probably go in there. I think I could charge it in Starbucks though. There's a nice little walking street over here. Oh, look at this pizza. Okay, pizza. This one $1,400. That's a little less than $10. Not bad looking. We got a McDonald's, of course. IFU. Say that slowly to somebody. Let's see what's up this way. Oh, they got a kebab place. First place I saw in Tokyo with kebab. Tails and stouts, fish and chips. Got it. A lot of people walking around with these little personal fans. Personally, I don't think it actually, I don't know, does it do anything? That little fan? That was a pretty cool looking area. Looks like there might be some decent places to eat.
Shibuya区では引き続き皆さん一緒にきれいな街を皆さんが笑顔で過ごせるように
I might as well head back this way.
On dirait que...
So I always wondered what is down the side streets of Shibuya Crossing. Now I know. So chicken kebab, 600. That's about $4, $4. Not bad.
Ich finde, das hat hier auch so
Burger King. So guys, that's a look at the world famous Shibuya Crossing and the area around it. I'm only here for 20 hours for my layover. If you have a short time here, definitely make this one of the stops to see on your visit to Tokyo. Hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.